So you can see from one of the Facebook messages I received recently from one of my followers, they said, "Hey Garrett, I've already gotten my first 2 sales this week. I love sharing methods that help you guys get real results. And in this video, I'm gonna reveal an incredibly powerful free copy-paste software you can use as a total beginner that will allow you to generate $300 or more per day with affiliate marketing, even if you don't have a website, a following, or any experience online. I'm gonna share every single step as far as how to use this totally free software to get endless clicks to your affiliate link, how to find a good product to promote if you don't have one yet, and even towards the end of the video, I'm gonna share 2 separate websites you can use to ramp up your results and make even more money. So be sure you stick to the very end of the video. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure you smash the like button to let me know. Also comment "Let's go" below to show others you're serious. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in to the very first step. So the very first step is we need to head over to a website called anyword.com. Now, all the links referenced in this video are going to be down below in the description. And what this site is, it's a totally free software that allows you to create tons of different content with a click of a button. Just go ahead and click start for free, sign up for a free account, and once you're in your back office, you just want to click Blog Wizard. And what we're going to do is click on new blog post and create a blog article. Now, the amazing thing with this totally free software is it allows us to create blog posts totally passively just with the click of a button. Okay, so you'll get taken to this page here. Now, what we're gonna be able to do is just type in a few words here, and this software will literally spit out an amazing blog article we can use, as you'll see in a second, to promote whatever product you wanna promote. So the first thing, we wanna type in a few words that have to do with the product we're promoting. So if you already have a product, maybe you're in the health and fitness niche, I can type in something like how to lose weight from home. Just as an example, I'm gonna share how to find good products in a second, so keep watching. But let's say that was the niche you're in. For topic or industry, I can type in health and see what pops up. So healthy living, okay? So again, whatever your product is you're promoting, it could be make money online. It works in any single niche, and then just click next, okay? So what this software does is it literally starts generating titles and outline and all this good stuff. So you can also see the rating, okay? So the score, the higher the score, the better. So you can see right here, 9 tips to help you lose weight from home. That sounds pretty good. I'm gonna click there and just go to next. And now it's gonna do the outline of our article. So it's gonna head and generate, you can see section 1, set realistic goals. Section 2, find a workout routine you enjoy, etc. Okay, so this is pretty darn amazing. And I'm gonna click next. The next thing, it's gonna do an intro paragraph. So it's gonna start to create a paragraph that's gonna lead to the rest of our blog. And again, we're gonna use this blog to generate hundreds of dollars a day. So you can see it has different examples. Again, we wanna choose the one with the highest rating right there and click next. And then finally, setup is complete, continue to editor. Now, once you do that, we're going to actually be able to generate paragraphs under each of these bullet points, okay? So you can see the intro paragraph here, that's fine. Set realistic goals, I can go ahead and hit generate, and it's gonna write out a paragraph under that point right there. Okay, so you can see right there, it's created a paragraph. Now I can hit continue and it will write more under that point, but that's good for now. I can go here, click generate, and do the same thing and continue all the way down for the remaining 9 points. Okay, you can see right there. Now for the sake of this video, I'm actually going to delete the rest of them, but you would go through and you would finish for all the other ones. Okay, so I went ahead and deleted, so now we just have 2. Again, you would do it for all of them, but to save time for this video, I'm gonna do that. Now, once we do that, we want to actually go up here and copy the blog post to our clipboard because we're actually going to use this article somewhere else. So now what you want to do is you want to go over to Google and you want to type in something like Google Documents, okay? Google Documents right there. And we just want to click that link right there. Now, I've already done that. And then we want to click on blank and create a blank Google document, okay? So what we want to do is because we've already copied that article to our clipboard, we can just go ahead ahead and paste it right there, and it will paste that article. So now what I recommend you do is you just format this slightly, okay, to make it look a little bit better. You can enter and space it. I can actually center the title right there. I can bold it, okay? So I can also copy and I can make this larger, okay? So like there, we just want to play around, make it look pretty good, because what we're going to be able to do is actually use this article to start to get tons of free traffic to our affiliate links passively and even while we're sleeping. So the next step is we want to give a call to action to a product in this blog article. So if you don't have a product to promote, you can go over to a website called digistore24.com. This is a great website to find tons of products in many different niches. You would just click register now and you can go through the process to creating a free account. It takes just a few minutes. You want to choose affiliate, not vendor and affiliate, put your username, etc., and then register for free. Now, once you're inside your back office, you can go over to Marketplace and it has all these different categories of products you can promote. And like I said, for this example, we're going to do fitness and health. So I can just go ahead and click that category. Now, before I continue in this video, I will say Digistore24 is not my favorite place to find products to promote. I'm going to include a link directly below. That first link takes you to my #1 affiliate system that gives you capture pages, follow-up emails already pre-written that will go out on your behalf, and it pays you 100% instant commissions. Before this video, we're going to be using Digistore24. Now, you want to sort results by sales rank. This is going to share with you the best-selling products at the top, and I'm going to use the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. So all you have to do is go ahead and get your affiliate link here. If it's a blue button, you just click that and it unlocks your affiliate link. I've already done that. Now we just go back to Google Documents here, and what we want to do is towards the bottom of the article, we want to write a call to action. So you can say something like, these tips work great, but to discover my favorite way to lose weight, click here now, okay? And then all you have to do is highlight that click here now, go to this little paper clip, and then paste in your affiliate link. And then what happens is when someone will go to this article, which I'll share how to do in just a second, they will read it, get value, and then they'll see this link, they'll click it, and it will take them to our affiliate link, which after a certain period of time will have a button appear. And when they buy, you'll be able to start raking in money very, very passively. So what's the next step? Well, once we do this, we want to go to File and we want to download it as a PDF document. Okay, so just go ahead and click that. It's going to download to my computer. Now, the first site we're going to use to actually get people to go to our PDF so they can read this blog and decide to click the link and buy is SlideShare. SlideShare.net is an incredible place to post PDF documents because it gets tons and tons of visitors every single month. There's millions of people going to this website every single month, clicking and viewing these different PDFs, and we can passively have people click our link. So we can upload here after you create a free account, select documents to upload, and just choose the PDF we just created. So let me do that right now. Okay, so it's uploading right now, the PDF that we just created. Remember, the PDF that looks something like this with our link. And what we want to do is we want to put a title. So you can literally just go back here. I can copy the title there and I can just use that as my title. For description, I can write a little bit about the title. Discover 9 tips to help you lose weight from home. Category, okay, we want to choose the category that's related. So we can go health and medicine for our example, and then just add a few tags, okay? So I've already done this before and I can go ahead and erase right there. So keto meal plan, and then public, and just go ahead and publish. So now this is published, and what will happen is this will start showing up on SlideShare. So when people search, how to lose weight, keto, things like that, this PDF will show up. They'll read the PDF, they'll see our link right there again, and they will decide to buy because our product is a very high converting good product. Now, the second and last site I want to share with you that you can share our PDF on is gumroad.com. Okay, a lot of people don't know about this site. There's going to be a link directly below. When you go to this site, you want to click start selling, okay, and you want to create a free account. Takes just a few minutes. And what Gumroad allows you to do is actually create products that you can go ahead and sell to people. Now, if you have your own information, your own value that you want to teach people, you can actually create your first product and you can write out your own blog and your own information and you can sell it to people. Now, for this video, we're just going to create your first product and we're going to use the PDF that we already created with this incredibly simple free software here. So what we can do is go here. The name of the product, again, we can title it the same name that we have right there. Go back there, put it in, and then we want to choose a type, okay? They have digital product, courses. For this, we can actually just go to, ebook, because that's really what we're going to sell is a PDF. So I can click there. For the price, okay, we just want to put it very cheap because we're not going to be making a lot of money selling this PDF. We're going to make a lot more money when people buy for very cheap and they go through and they actually buy this affiliate link, okay, this product right there. So what we want to do is we want to just price it very cheap and then we can just go to next, customize. Okay, right there. So for the description, we just want to write something that describes what PDF we're actually giving away to people. So I can say, discover these powerful tips to lose weight from home. Okay, something very simple. URL. Now for cover, okay, we want to add a good cover photo to this PDF so it entices people to want to buy. Now the way we can create a cover very simply, easily, and quickly is to go over to a free site called canva.com. I've used this site for many things, including, YouTube thumbnails, posts on Facebook. Okay, so what we want to do is go here and you can just type in PDF cover, okay, and I can search that. Now once you do, they have all these different templates. Now you want to avoid, if you don't want to pay, the pro. So this one, for example, is free. I can open this up and what this is a template that we can use with our cover on Gumroad. Okay, so we just want to edit this slightly so we can erase, this right there. For here, I can, type something in relating to our PDF, like lose weight fast. And then for this little thing, I can go ahead and go back here, copy this again, go back to there, and I can paste it in like there. So 9 tips to help you lose weight from home. I can make that bigger. Okay, I can also erase this image because that really has nothing to do with losing weight. Okay, I can center that. And then for the image, I can actually just go to photos and I can search something like, scale, okay, like a weight loss scale. And I can go ahead and find a free one like this, and I can just go ahead and make that like there. I can center this, okay, so you just want to play around like that. I can center this one, and that's looking pretty darn good. And you can see we just created this in a matter of seconds, okay, so that's pretty good. Center that there, and then we just go to share, we go to download, and we just download this image to our computer. So now that I go back to Gumroad, I just want to upload that cover that I just created. Okay, you can see that cover right there. That looks pretty darn good. And then for thumbnail, you can actually create a thumbnail that will show up. So I can just go to Unsplash right here. I can just search for an image such as lose weight, and Gumroad actually gives you images. Okay, so I can choose this image. For call to action, this is what people will see when they want to click to buy. I want this is fine. Summary, you can usually use that, leave that blank. Pages, you don't really have to do anything there. Price $1. Okay, go all the way down, and then once it's good, I can hit save changes and then publish. So now that that's published, you can see right here that it actually has the copy URL. And if we go right there to our product, we're going to be able to see what this looks like. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to have that cover, 9 tips to help you lose weight from home. It has the description right there. It has the $1. And then when someone clicks, I want this, they're going to be able to go to the order form and buy. You'll also be able to make that dollar when someone buys. But the real value in this is because people will see this PDF showing up on Gumroad, because Gumroad helps other people discover your PDF. You can see you can sell to anyone. What will happen is people will buy that PDF. They'll start reading it because this is incredibly valuable. Remember, we created it just using this simple free software in a matter of seconds. They'll read over the article, they'll get value, they'll see the call to action, they'll click here, and then because we're promoting a high converting product, they will click the buy button and you will start to make money over time, over and over again. Now, as I said before, be sure to click the first link below to see a free video revealing how to easily set up my #1 affiliate system to promote with the method shared in this video to get paid instant 100% commissions. Also click the subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest money-making methods. And last, if you want to discover another incredibly easy method to make commissions online, be sure to click the video that will show on the screen in just a second to discover that one also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.